that out of fear may come.
Sa pagkakatulog sa siwi at sa lalim kong muko, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglalinaw.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am so excited to be hosting Season 2 of the Congressional Friendship Athletic Meet Finals. Siyempre, bago ang lahat, gusto muna natin pasalamatan ang punong abala ng event na ito. Walang iba kung hindi si Congressman Ferdinand Alexander Sandro Marcos. Isang palakpakan po para kay Kong Sandro. Of course, we'd also like to welcome all our VIPs, our mayors, our vice mayors, at syempre sa lahat ng dito sa loob ng court ngayong hapon. Pero
Mayor, hindi ka magsasalita ngayon kasi nasa lawag ka. So, babanatan kita. Anyway, sa lahat po ng mga nandito, good afternoon and advance congratulations sa Lawag City. Thank you so much.
all right, thank you so much, Honorable James Brian Alcid, of course, the City Mayor of Lawag. Handa na ba kayong makita kung sino ang mananalo ng Season 2 CFAM? Masyadong mahina yata, parang hindi kayo excited. Handa na ba kayo? Ingat kayo.
May nakahanda na akong speech para sa fuel subsidy. I'm so happy to see all of you. It really makes me feel so much better because kahit gaano kagulo, gaano ka-stressful, kapag bumabalik ako dito sa Ilocos, laging good vibes. Nakakatuwa. And it's really all of you that keeps me going, keeps me motivated, and it's so good to be back home. Mahal na ako sa inyo lahat. So thank you so much for the support. Thank you for the surprise, and thank you for this very, very kind gesture. Dahil lang ka sa akin. Thank you everyone.
lang sa ating pagka-countdown, no, sa ating run. Alright, there we go. Hey! Kaway-kaway naman!
This now a congressman, see?
Because of him, I became a congressman. The stress.